Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Check your Android version and ensure the Google Phone app is installed. This matters because recording APIs differ by release. Once done, back up current recorder settings and any saved audio files so nothing is lost. Next, open settings for apps, locate phone, and enable microphone and storage permissions. Without those, the recorder won't function. Make sure battery optimizations are off for phone. Otherwise, recordings can be truncated or fail when the screen sleeps. Now go into the phone app and navigate to Settings, then Calls, then Call Recording. Here you pick how to change behavior. Enable automatic rules to record calls from selected contacts or keep manual recording to trigger per call. Once selected, choose the audio source and confirm storage location, internal or SD, because wrong choice can block access. Adjust sample quality if available, and test with one short call to verify permissions and quality before proceeding to bulk or permanent changes. Finish by making a full test call, record end, then locate the file to confirm it is saved and playable. This proves the new configuration works. If recording fails, first recheck microphone, storage permissions, app updates, and reboot the phone. Also remember some carriers or regional laws block call recording. If problems persist, consider alternate approved recording apps or using a hardware recorder. One tip: disable battery saver during tests because it can suspend the phone app and stop recordings unexpectedly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.